Today I'm making this spooky monster mash cookie. It's so delicious, it tastes just like a brownie. It is yummy and super cute. First you're gonna mix the butter, both sugars, vanilla extract, and an egg. Then in a separate bowl, you'll put the flour, the cocoa powder, cornstarch, salt, baking soda, baking powder. You're gonna whisk that up, and then you're gonna mix those ingredients with the sugars. Then you're gonna mix both bowls together, add in the chocolate chips. These are about a tablespoon of dough. Pop them in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes and let them cool a little bit when they come out before you start putting the candy eyes on. You can find the recipe in the description. Try it out, let me know how it goes, and follow me for more fun recipes.